Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about disqualifications of a company auditor. Disqualifications of a company auditor. So the following person shall not be eligible for appointment as an auditor of a company. So now we discuss who are not eligible for appointment of an auditor of a company. The first person is a body corporate. A body corporate is not eligible to appoint as an auditor except limited liability partnership. That means LLP is eligible to appointment as an auditor of a company, but a body corporate is not eligible to appointment as an auditor of a company. Next, second, an officer or employee of the company, because they are working in that company, that's why they may involve fraud. So that's why an officer or employee of the company not eligible to, that means disqualified to appointment as an auditor of a company. Next, third, a person who is a partner of an office, partner of an officer or employee of the company, so he is not eligible. Next, fourth, a person who is a relative or his partner of a company or holding company or subsidiary company or associate company is disqualified in the following circumstances. So here involved a relative or his partner of a company, holding company or subsidiary company or associate company disqualified following circumstances. So these are the circumstances. Now we discuss about circumstances to disqualifications. So the first one is when he is holding any security in that company. They holding any security in that company. Next, when he is indebted in excess of 5 lakhs rupees. Indebted in excess of 5 lakhs rupees. Next, third one, he is given a guarantee. So they given a guarantee or provided any security in connection with indebtedness. So one is guarantee or provided any security in connection with indebtedness in excess of 1 lakh rupees. The excess of 1 lakh rupees. Then the relative or his partner of a company or holding company or subsidiary company or associate company disqualified. Next, fifth point, a person or a firm has business relationship of such nature with a company or holding or subsidiary company or associate company. Here involved business relationship. So business relationship of such nature with a company or holding company or subsidiary company or associate company. Next point, a person whose relative is a director or is an employment of the company as director or key managerial person, KMP, key managerial personnel, then he is also disqualified to be appointed as an auditor of a company. Next, 7 point, a person holding more than 20 company auditor. More than 20 company auditor. Also disqualified to be appointed as an auditor of a company. So in the 20 company audit limits shall exclude. That means the 20 companies not included 1 person company, small company, dormant company, private company with paid up capital less than 100 crores. These are not counted for 20 companies. So which are not counted for 20 companies? 1% company, small company, dormant company, private company with a paid up capital less than 100 crores. Okay, next, 8th point. A person who has been convicted by a court of an offense. So the person who has convicted by a court of an offense involving fraud and a period of 10 years has not elapsed from the date of such conviction. So a person convicted by a court of an offense involving fraud. So a period of 10 years has not elapsed from the date of such conviction, then he is disqualified as an auditor of a company. Next, 9th point. Any person who is engaged in consulting and specialized services, engaged in consulting and specialized services to that company, so then also disqualified as an appointment to be auditor. Okay, subscribe to Way to Comment.